and welcome back to our marketing research series. We're on episode 15 today. Time flies, right? Our topic, the dynamic realm of mobile marketing research. Before we dive in, if you find our content valuable, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification button. It helps a lot. Now, let's talk about why mobile research is a game changer in our industry and how to make the most of it. So, why are we all so excited about mobile research? For one, it's all happening in real time. Just imagine getting insights as they unfold, right as someone is experiencing them. With mobile devices, we can also tap into where users are, quite literally. We're talking location-based insights that help us understand behaviors in real-world context. Plus, let's admit, we're all glued to our phones. So, unsurprisingly, folks are more likely to respond to tasks or surveys there. And the cherry on top, these devices can capture so much: pictures, videos, voice notes. It's like having a multimedia Swiss Army knife in our research toolkit. Okay, let's talk about doing it right. First up, remember mobile screens are smaller, so your surveys need to be crisp, clear, and a breeze to navigate. Hey, if a mobile has a cool feature, think about how you can use it. Maybe it's leveraging push notifications or incorporating geolocation. Of course, while we're diving into the mobile world, we need to keep things secure. User data is precious and private, and like with all things, a little test drive is key. Try out your research approach with a few users, get their thoughts, and tweak things as needed. Now, let's geek out a bit on some really cool ways to use mobile for research. Ever heard of mobile ethnography? It's like being a virtual fly on the wall. Participants share real-time experiences with us through photos, videos, and more, all through their mobiles. Then there's the mobile diary approach, where people document their experiences over time. We also have the power to peek into mobile app behaviors, understanding what's clicking with users. And technologies like geofencing, they take location-based insights to a whole new level, pinging users right when they are in a particular spot. And there we go, a snapshot of the mobile marketing research landscape. By tapping into the power of mobile and being a bit innovative, we can really up our research game. Coming up, we'll dive into the massive world of big data and its mark on marketing research. Intrigued? Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out. And if today's episode helped you, show some love with a like and hit that notification button. Until next time, thanks for being part of our journey.